Hey, what's up, everyone? Gerald here with Blades and Bait. Welcome back. You know, in December, I created a video which shows you my more compact and portable modified Altoid tin can survival kit. Well, since then, actually last month, someone broke into our car. Yeah, it sucks. And one of the things that they stole was that survival kit. Ha! Won't they be surprised if they found out that it's mainly a bunch of worthless stuff? Anyway, so today I want to show you on how I build portable, medium size Altoid tin can survival kit. Something that you can take with you in the field, fishing, hiking, camping, using the items that's readily available around your house. And even those that you need to purchase, they're very inexpensive anyway. So, let's see what we have. If you guys are looking for some very unique, original, custom design tees, anything from your fishing, funny, patriotic, and Christian-based tees, all designed by me or my wife, t-shirts like this, come check out at www.lumenpath.net. And thank you very much for all your support, guys. We appreciate it. Okay, I pretty much gathered all the things that I need to make our survival kit. Starting off, I ordered me a brand new molly pouch. I bought this off eBay, picked it up for only $6, and I pretty much have put some of the things that I need in it in the front pocket. I have me a small, basically a micro size fishing kit. Have all my split shot, sinkers, bobbers, couple jigs, and I cut out a piece of cardboard and cut a couple notches, put my line on it, put a few hooks, one jig head, and that's pretty much my fishing kit. On the side pocket, of course, I think is probably one of the most important tools that you can have in surviving, is a knife. This one is made by Camulus. I don't really care for the quality, except this one is actually made with D2 steel, which is good quality budget steel. That's on one of my side pocket. The other side pocket, I have me this little tactical flashlight. Picked it up for $5. Shockproof, waterproof. No need to spend a lot, especially. And inside the main pouch, I have me a bandana, couple coffee filters, trash bag, and your Mylar space bag. Of course, also have some aluminum foil. The trash bag and the space blanket is very useful, especially if you want to use it as an emergency poncho. You can use it as an emergency shelter. I have me 10 feet of 550 paracord. 550, if you're wondering why it's called 550, there's actually 7 strands that's inside the core of this paracord, and each of the strands holds 50 pounds, and the outer shell holds 150. So technically, if I take out each one of the strands and connect it together, I actually have 70 feet worth of cordage right here. Of course, little household candle. And that's what's inside the main pocket. Right here where I put a little wire saw and a diamond sharpener. No point of taking out a knife with you and planning to use it if you have no way of sharpening it. I also picked this up the other day. Cheap little headlamp that I picked up for only $1.50 at Walmart. And a slingshot replacement. I picked up a whole bag of these for only $5. Extremely useful. I did at a time learn to hunt using a slingshot. But that's what's inside the main pouch, or the pouch itself. Of course, I have my letter right here. Now, again, this is just optional. You don't need to have a pouch. You can just carry one of these. Yeah, it's just an Altoid tin can, and you can just put this in your pocket if you wish. Let's see on how many of these things that we can actually stuff in this little tiny box here. Starting off, I have a couple band-aids. I have a large band-aid, just in case. I have your alcohol wipe, Neosporin, a diamond file, again, very useful, especially if you want to sharpen your knife. This is one of those produce bags that you can pick up at any of your grocery stores. Good container right there. We have a Fresnel lens. You can pick up a whole stack of these for only about $5. Put in the Fresnel lens. I have a couple coffee filters. Coffee filters are cheap. You can pick up a whole stack of them for only a few dollars. A lot of uses for coffee filters. One, of course, is to filter out your coffee. What we used to do is that we used to put coffee right inside the filter, tie it, and just toss it in the boiling water, and there you go. You have some campground coffee. But you can also use this as an emergency filter, a mask. There is a lot of uses for a coffee filter. I have a couple water purification tablets. I picked up a whole, think of a strip of 10 for only like $5. I think I'm going to put this in. This is just a piece of business card. I cut out some slots. I have my electrical tape right here, fishing line, and some more cordage right here. Of course, razor blade. This is one of those birthday trick candles. You can pick up a whole bunch of them for only about a couple dollars. And the nice thing about these is that, yes, they stay lit a lot longer than your matches, but the nice thing about it also is that if it happens to go out, it'll just relight by itself. Your ferro rod. Nice thing about ferro rod is that it is waterproof. And unlike your butane lighters, they work pretty much in any condition. And if you guys never seen on how to use a ferro rod, or if you don't know on how to use a ferro rod, let me show you. You free out the cotton ball, and you scraped off the black coating off the ferro rod.
I'm gonna try. Right, wrong thing. There it goes.
There.
Cotton, and with no petroleum jelly. Seriously. Trying to light my table on fire. Hey, look! I just saved you some money. Just have cotton. You don't even need the jelly. Get 1 point for white.
That was fun. But that's basically on how you use a ferro rod. Pretty simple. Let's see what else we have here. Of course, a knife. Again, probably one of the most important tools that you can have in survival. A lighter. And by the way, if you're planning to have a lighter in your survival kit, I would recommend having one that has a nice bright color. This way you can see it even in the dark. A whistle. See, the main thing is that a whistle carries a lot further than your own voice. Plus, you can save your voice instead of trying to yell and scream when you are lost. A little LED keychain flashlight. Of course, you can't have matches unless you have a striker as well. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tape down the striker. Just cut a little piece off and tape it to the lid. There we go. Few pieces of rubber band. There we are. Found this. I thought this was pretty cool. It's a small, tiny signal mirror. We'll just lay it flat there. And I have a few pieces of paper clip and safety pins. Paper clips and safety pins are very useful. You can bend it so you can use it as a hook. You can use a safety pin if you have a tear in your backpack. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut a strip. Basically, I'm just going to put the paper clip right on top of your tape. Same thing with the safety pins. Okay, we're almost done here. I have me a couple needles, and what I like to do, these are just a set of magnets that I picked up from Dollar Tree. What I like to do before actually putting the needles in is to actually magnetize your needle. You simply want to give it quite a few strokes, maybe about 30-40 times. Needle will become magnetized, and in a pinch you can use it as an emergency compass. I think I'm going to put me a couple fish hooks. There we go. There's one, and one more. Now once that's all set, you simply want to just tape it underneath your lid. Of course, we can probably add a zip tie underneath, maybe two. There we are. A couple of split shots. There it is. And of course, we are missing our matches. Now these are storm matches. You can pick up a whole pack of them for only $3 at Walmart. Let's see if it is windproof and waterproof. Ready? Well, it is windproof. And seems like it's waterproof. Huh. How about that? There we go, folks. We have ourselves an Altoid 10 survival kit. And good tip that I received from one of my viewers, just leave one of the magnets inside, and this way you can always use it to magnetize other things. This is a good fire starter. As you can see, this is just your cotton pads. And there it is, folks. We did it. We just made ourselves an overstuffed Altoid tin can survival kit. What I like to do is that I like to seal it off completely with maybe about a couple feet worth of electrical tape, which makes it nice and sealed, also makes it waterproof. Make sure it's completely sealed. And there we are, folks. I am almost done. Unfortunately, I did forget a couple things, like my little button compass. Usually, if I want it inside the tin can itself, I'll pry this open. But this time around, I'm just going to put it in the back pocket here. Everything's set. Everything's done. Anyway, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a like. And leave your comments down below, folks. Anyway, guys, consider subscribing for some more kit, knives, and fishing videos. You guys take care. Talk to you later.